Oh yeah, it's my new phone! Thank you! Hey guys! Welcome to another Family Tech video. Today, I'm very sad to say that...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're...
Yeah, it's my birthday, guys. And it's his birthday. He's turning year 6, so besides he's old, year 6. So we decided to, keep the phone for him, like when he becomes year 7. So I'm rocking my SU, which is great. But when I was researching these specs, I'm really shocked. So let's move into the unboxing. I think you guys are really interested. What? Both of them.
Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life.
Awesome screen, awesome camera. Awesome screen, awesome camera.
Long-lasting battery life.
So here's the unboxing of the phone. Some tiki packaging. Tiki. Okay.
5 hours later.
There is a thing. This is like we did not open this when it was when it came home. It came home today. Woo! Oh, Prism Blue. Sorry, guys, listen. You gotta always do this. No, it's mine. You gotta always do this. Anyways, none of that crap.
I'll show you.
What? Oh, this is the A71 Prism Black. 128 gig.
Yup.
Like my brother, everything's saying we don't want to battle.
128 gigabyte.
128 gig. So this is the Prism Crush Black. So it's like basically black, like Prism Black, right?
Stop being racist.
I'm not being racist.
Okay, anyway. Okay, let's unbox it.
We'll unbox the satisfying. Can you do the satisfying part, please, properly?
5 hours later.
You got it? Okay. This is gonna be super unsatisfying.
Ah.
Okay, every Samsung case, every phone comes with this white thing which no one even bothers to see. So just like a reminder, if you guys are interested in buying this phone, might want to check out the back because it's where it's stored. It gives you the most essential things like your warranty,
and your pins,
your pin, your transparent case, and your.
I don't know if that includes transparent.
I mean, we'll see. So let's find out. So always, you see this latch. Pull it out. There's your pin. Oh, you do come with a transparent.
Oh
case.
yeah.
And every Samsung phone always comes with a transparent case. Wow, this is plastic.
Can I see? Wow.
No.
It's different from
You got your
Zflip.
papers.
Your warranty.
And no, I think this is like your warranty paper, and you finally got your pin for your SIM card.
Okay.
So here's a literal phone, guys. It took some time. Oh, no, you spoiled it. So
I thought that was Galaxy, but
right inside, once you come out, right, in the box,
you see that rainbow texture?
you've got that very painful, nice
Can you
thing.
hold?
Like hold it
Is it too
properly.
big?
Is it too big?
So?
No, it's not
So
too big.
Perfect
So
for you?
perfect. From the box, you get these AKG Samsung branded earbuds. You have the
And headphone jackets are back.
headphone jackets are back. Correct. That's one of the features we're gonna go into. You got your typical normal Type-C charger, and you finally got the fast charging adapter, which is much more buffed. Why?
How many watts?
I don't like because it did some push up. It did some weight.
100 to 240 volts. So it supports fast charging. So yeah, I mean that's what comes from the box. These are the most essential things. Nothing beyond this, we see nothing. So now let's move into the more, more of like specific details. So in this phone, you get a 6.7 inch. Sorry, 6.7.
Oh, it's my phone.
6.7 inch LCD.
Don't make any fingerprint.
6.7 inch LCD touchscreen. Comes with earbuds and comes with this Samsung fast charging adapter. However, this phone does not support wireless charging.
Sad.
Samsung.
Can you stop bullying Samsung?
Apple pulled it.
Why are you bullying me?
Apple pulled it, and it's about exact price for
I
like a
have
big
the
shit.
fast charging cable.
I mean, yeah, okay, fine. Samsung did a great job fast charging, so I mean, if they have, so let's compare to the iPhone SE. If they had a little bit more money, they could have at least put, a wireless charger. I'm not trying to say anything bad, but
That's clearly saying that.
this thing charges with a infamous 9-dot thing, which I really don't know how to call it. And you got pattern. The pattern thingamajig. Yeah. We'll just put an image right here. Just call it thingamajig. And you also got the fingerprint, which Samsung is much better than Apple because Apple is now using the. Yeah. Oh!
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
More features of its head fingerprint. What's wrong with this guy?
I'm OCD.
Yeah, almost meant to.
Yeah, it's my new phone.
So you get a front camera, which is this one, 32 megapixels. A lot.
How many camera in the back?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh
4
my.
and 1 flash.
So you got one of them being 64 megapixels, 12, and then both of them 5 megapixels, which are great for photography because
Do you think that was more powerful than G Flip 1?
this one camera.
The camera, yes.
Camera, yes.
Definitely.
How do you know?
More cameras.
I guess.
How do you know?
And then you got the rear camera, like your front camera, which is 32 megapixels, which is great for selfies. Like that's like a normal camera.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then you also inside its phone, obviously it's Samsung, so Android is supported. Battery life is about 4,500 mAh. I don't know how to say it. And this was released about late December, so it's fairly new at the same time fairly old.
Got it.
So yeah, I mean like this design looks really cool.
I know.
When you touch it more.
I love the rainbow texture.
So we what does it smell like?
Waffles.
So we got the 128 gigabyte. Inside this thing, you've got an 8 gig of RAM. 8 gigs of RAM.
You got 128.
I got 128 too. So
I
yeah.
have a 64 gig SD card, mini SD card.
Oh, just slot it in there. You're like, so not only right now we have the black prism
That
crush.
looks really good.
I know.
You also have
Better
the
than what I saw in the
pictures.
screen.
Like this rainbow looks
Is it
so
plastic
good.
or is it like a?
I feel like this case could do really well on this because like I mean.
Oh, that's a good
That's
fit.
hypnotizing me. You come with the Prism Black one, which is this one. You got the Prism Crush Blue, and you also got the silver and the pink. And the pink, I think. Yeah. If you now we only see black, silver, that's it. Black, purple. Green is
guys,
blue. Yeah,
You know why I didn't buy the blue one? Because it looks fake.
it looks fake. So yeah, I mean these are the basic things of what it comes in a Samsung phone. There's the great phone, the great earbuds, the fast charging adapter. Oh wait a second. Does it charge it from USB-C to USB-C?
Yeah, that's beautiful.
NANI?
Cool, guys, is that basic everything? They add more stuff.
It looks really good.
I know. But can I ask you a question?
Really big.
And I'm so tempted to like he had this. How happy could it become? It's like twice the size and much thicker.
And bigger than SE.
So technology, guys. So
I think I got that phone like 2012.
so this phone is like 9 years old.
Oh.
He shattered the whole thing. Yeah. So I'm just scared about what this could turn into.
Careful, yourself.
I mean, like I'm so scared what this could turn
I'm
into.
not gonna buy another phone for you.
Hashtag phone crack.
This is your first and last one
Yeah.
What?
from me.
You could only get like condiments for it. So like.
Maybe we should take a video for that.
Well, yeah,
phone
we'll try.
next time.
We'll try a video out for this if we get this guy's permission.
No, I'm talking about actual YouTuber.
Oh, like vlog?
Yeah.
No. Oh yeah, guys. Guys, we've been thinking of vlogging around for like very simple, like a lot of stuff. You know, we've been
Now we are actually shooting video with this
iPhone. So yeah, I mean, comment down if you.
Is that one better?
Yeah, we could start vlogging. I mean, like, yeah, why not?
Try to chat to it first.
No. So guys, this is like